Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to delete or remove cookies and site data in Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 PC. To do this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. Select settings in the drop down menu. In the Firefox settings, select this one privacy and security option. On the right side, scroll down to find this one cookies and site data section. Here you will see your stored cookies, site data and cache are currently using some MB of disk space. Beside that, click on this one clear data button. Then click on this one clear button. Click on this one clear now button. This will erase cookies and site data in Firefox, and after erasing you will see 0 bytes of disk space is remaining in your Firefox browser.